Well, a look at how we wound up today's trading session, and you could say it's been a great day and it's been a great week. You've got the Nifty gaining for the second straight week on the trot, and incidentally, the Nifty Bank has as well gained for the second straight week, with the mid-cap index posting its best week since the 7th of June. So that's where a lot of the action has been concentrated. Let me talk levels then. That's 14,347 is where we wrap up, an impressive gain of 1.5%. You've got the Sensex as well powering through a steady move of nearly 700 points at 48,782. It's been nothing short of impressive when it comes to the mid caps. As I said, that winning streak has continued, and in today's trading session as well, the mid cap index goes home with a 1% gain, the small cap index up 0.6%. While it may have wavered during the midday trade, it more than made up. IT definitely seeing leadership today, 3.6% on that index alone. You've got autos, which have done very well, media as well as infrastructure, pharma, those have been some impressive movers. On the flip side, just about quiet for PSUs as well as metals. To some of the newsmakers, then in today's trading session, you had TCS, which is in focus and gaining ahead of its quarterly numbers. What is going to be the commentary when it comes to deal wins, when it comes to business outlook? That remains to be seen. You've got Himmat Singha Seed, which has been in focus as the company has partnered with Walt Disney Company for the European region. They've signed a pact with the company for home textiles. JB Chemicals getting some US FDA approvals for pills that they'll be commercializing in Q1 FY22. So that stock as well is in focus. You've got something like M&M, which has hiked the prices of CVs by about 1.9% from today. Meantime, you've got something like Biocon, as Biocon Biologics got the 555 crore rupee capital injection from ADQ. Tata Power as well, a newsmaker, IDFC seeing some bulk deals, and that's kept the stock in focus. Check in then as to what has been some of the movement when it comes to the broader markets, because you did have the index as well, which continued to see stellar gains. As I said, for the mid-cap index, we've seen the best week since the 7th of June. We hit our all-time high today. You've got a lot of traction coming in across the board. So names that merit a mention include Rail Vikas Nigam, 14.5%, ITD Cement, 12%, Fortis Healthcare, Capri Global, PI Industries, IFCI, Inox Leisure up 6%, something like Z Entertainment, L&T Info, Sonata Software have had a terrific run on the upside. While on the flip side, it's been muted for DHFL, IBREL, Strides Pharma, IDFC First, MMTC, M&M Financial, Venky's India as well as Endurance and Polycab. Those stocks have lost out a bit, but all in all a fairly impressive move.